say Kotoko a boy Homadin in the league, any in the FA Cup. In Tinka, reasonably no. I think stadium a course attendance no course. Unfortunately, you won is a. If you say BB a coach. Ti didn't come on one, I just say, a Pamam fortune, since a young Sandy Bakufoot. And don't want a kind of say, I come back one person who say, maybe an enemy be a trouble. I many players maybe back, and because such a woman. You say, it's a didn't say bad.
I want some more solid for Muti.
It is some.
Okay.
The ancient says about this man. Oh, yeah. Yet to me, Chassis, your pounds will be more from Benvoa.
You got the moon, you'll be in film.
Benvo. I fact.
Oh, okay.
The chassis, I need the moon and chassis.
Okay. Okay.
Money,
I better one. Money, I better one. A bad. And minim se bi ajibo babu ani nua dia but ena dia siasia ena ye adwumani na o sha ase no na ni ntro no wadodo siasia we caso too much and ya better to say okay almost say yeah they go background kaka na it is unu obi apekasa mpa ho asem so eno gre ya kasa den said the wanya bo a wo kwose obi so ma won hye no ene e den na ya abeso di san ho kwose no fa bi kasa ne na supporters no ebetiu ye ni bebusa kwese yen kasa address wo mu na wayi wo ma no so ati ase wa no yie no edi ni pe ba behwe mu on se mo de mo baaye no munya crowd na Kotoko mi so so na wo bi da bia na ye ma na nipa ba mo ba munya bisa mo kona se nipa ni ho kwan best na ya na e affect mo performance no what the question na say so what ba stadium mo nya bremo se mo da league top eso se nipa ne ma e na ha mo kwan bi so kasa den mame kasa memem
ani na ya han ya han pa
e kwan best na o mo ba e be boa mo
because o mo ba o mo tumi ma ye mo mura na any more confidence e be tumi dia ball boni ena se wo bonus na wo ti sound na even if say oda form cry na wa bre cry na
wo sorry okay katu aduma na kameja into the to so na
you know I scored 7 goals on a injury who feel is saying at that time
well now me very sad because of me achievement I don't compare me achieve but engage na me very sad
okay ndi kuma Asante Kotoko team ene say the league the way we team we are ready for that
oh yes every players there yeah say who achievement in trophies nti say o bonus no season 1 yeah so players ni na no yeah aim ni say we take the trophy
and the team ben na mu say oyemo the bigger challenger you have goal stars only do 2 points has to folk and so pick it up 6 points there who's a third team see a threat to winning the league you know
oh yeah make say and enye omonkwa mo obia omo nations everyone obia work very hard so everyone is a threat
okay among forecast Asante Kotoko away fixtures am one heading who are away against goal stars who are away to folk who are away against nations who share that opinion with Omo Kase more away games am one heading tebe ha mo winning the league you know
well yeah away games near very difficult though but well with determination and hard work I think everything is possible so me when you say that difficult
against Chelsea Bechem United they are going for a good result in Sunday's game send Asante Kotoko more prepare Edibeshia Bechem for
well about training grounds how we are preparing very hard everyone is like we are putting the effort say this Sunday we'll take the maximum 3 points so we are working very hard for this Sunday
so about 5 strikers including yourself do you foresee say you can take that position now command position now
well it takes hard work for that very hard work for that and we share your strikers and everyone is good who will be any strength obi ani baby a obo a oye good in your man so me make I say very work very hard. I think you can achieve everything you want.
Okay, so we are talking to Abetamu Asante Kotoko, striker, and then what way Mamisa question we Mamisa answer we. In the beginning of the season, na Dema Asante Kotoko, Pamulu Sulu matches to us, so the supporters were everywhere talking. Say coach crying, you know. I didn't make it a trick now. All of a sudden I bounce back Asante Kotoko and I flying high.
Oh, like I say football sometimes sometimes you ups and down. Say you form say sometimes your coach is in your man no buy your money be kasa your players so your kasa your say be then able to me change things around. Say no na bo an to me then.
Abet ono kwa de o konkan.
Ewo MTN FA Cup semi-finals. Na league no so Kotoko ewo pole position a omutimi egie. Kotoko supporters no do na wo gidie and omo expectation is say say Kotoko timi gid these two competitions na Kotoko mu no as player amona mu gina agopama so mu si akan no obi am supporters na assurance say two no e be ba na anya hwekro mu ba ko be ba.
Well, and I mean guys me say players in the you know your achievement after every season say you win trophy me trophy that, so I'll be very glad to be in that position. The players in there we are determined say even if any we can take everything like the double.
Okay, like I say Kotoko Abet age na Kotoko players na name
also almost expectation.
The expectation is say you are going for the double.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mami Musa before say Ube Prano una started season we 7 goals. Una now bought as a main center forward. Coach 4-3-3 no. Una now the main arrowheader. Now bo. Oba no kwampoku nebo. Obo from different position. Now we are comfortable with baby abo. I'm saying ka be pese una we bo as a main forward center.
Question is overruled. Overruled.
No.
It's overruled.
If you can say
it's overruled.
Are you comfortable with
he is. He is. Yeah, I'm the chairman here. I've overruled the question.
About coach.
He's overruled.
Who is he? Who is he like? How does he work like? How does he relate to more players now? The technical, how do you say it?
No.
And it's overruled.
Overruled.
How overruled are you? Oh, I know there. Oh, there's more opportunity to talk about his coach.
Back
on the this interview is to get supporters to the stadium. And he are restricted to near ma a bit me a name is a promotional one. To me and father from uncle Buza and Sambia. Until Masro, Bendo Temalo, Masro. I think it's fine. Samba, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
You are good, eh? Okay. Utichi.
No.
Untimin Kankra. Me can't bet it. Did you atema beti?
Kaka.
Did you atema? If I used you to insult you, would you hear?
Yes.
Okay. Come back on here. Okay. So Samba soa, but almost say we sending me say Mr. Coach now can say sometimes you fear to be able to say premium. Do you as a footballer about team say I got an injury, next time I should be careful with tackles? A general question for footballers. Yeah, movie that it's me basa.
Well, it will be needed.
Okay.
To me recover quick.
Okay.
You also are
okay.
With the help of my medical team and my coaches, I think small.
Oh, okay. What was it? 2 matches.
2 matches.
And you feel good. Okay.
So next time you just have to.
To just have video analysis and then okay, so Samba, let me ask this: how do you feel when you get to the stadium and you don't see supporters around? Well, you are used to playing in front of crowd. You go there and the supporters are not in the stadium. How do you feel when you realize they are not there to support your efforts?
But like if they are not around, we are not feeling comfortable because we know that when they are around, they will push us to go up.
Kasading. Kasading.
Okay. to like raise, right?
Yeah.
Raise our game.
Yeah.
So we all the time we need.
Okay, so when they come, they help you to raise your game.
Yeah.
When you see them.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So it means that you probably might have had more points if they had come. Come on, draw match, be our fee. That's why they should come. Well, I can be here. Now,
even with this 4 attendance, he's playing so well, or they are playing so well. It means that if you get the crowd, then it will be marvelous.
Oh, okay.
We can only appeal to our supporters. So maybe I'm doing it there. I didn't know. I cry any lady. It didn't know you say.
More points in the there almost channel.
Oh, yeah, said the cabo. I know some more until later we address it.
That's in the end.
I know some more until later.
Oh, okay. Zach, you na omo.
Time is one.
I'm of second season right in the Premier League. Say, who join the Olympics halfway season, and I share 5 goals before the end year. Now your first season with Asante Kotoko, 7 goals before prior. Like, me say psychological. Now me catch some captain. Me sure I say uprabaya no. Psychologically, you are not. I say ubobona usru kakra. Say be a Premier League. From here, competition now Kotoko. If you say you can still get that goals, at point time when you are the leading striker for the club, are we going to see a more scoring goals in the matches now?
Yeah, for sure, because we are working very hard for it, and with the help of for sure we are working very hard for it, and from the help of our coaches and our medical team and each and everyone in the team, they always want you to win. Until Omo say Ube Babak Sena now
okay.
With the help of them there, I think
okay.
Yeah, Samba, I know you've heard, and I'm sure you've seen it on social media. Supporters, not even only from the Kotoko, everyone is saying that you are the best defender so far in the GPA. How do you feel when you see such commendations that you are the best defender in the Premier League so far? How do you feel when you see such messages?
That one is to be difficult for me to answer. I don't know how to speak English very well.
No, you are speaking. You are speaking very well. So go ahead and do justice to the question. Did you get the question? Do you really understand the question?
Yeah, I understand.
So answer it the way you understand.
It will be difficult for me to
okay.
answer in English.
Okay.
Should I add?
French. Yeah, French.
That's a striker.
We have French man.
Oh, yes, okay. And the striker and the French people send question. No answer. We have a Frenchman here.
Answer it in French.
I chose. I got
what is still?
Faut parler. Que je parle en français. Okay. Oui. Déjà, premièrement, on travaille pour ça. Et déjà, premièrement, je travaille dur pour ça et je suis pas trop genre réseaux sociaux. Après, quand je reçois ce genre de d'appréciation et tout, moi ça me fait plaisir, ça me donne encore beaucoup de force de continuer à travailler.
Also appreciate it. Abasobode amanfo bo nyina the more no more ebo na baso no so boa no ma na improve the performance into the mass. Then I became convinced me. I'm a Sunday. mabe Kotoko ni bichi
and say ayi na beka safu dugu na beka
amwa
as a player
from the players angle
uti amwa o say ana mo do stadium no mo hu supporters na ana edu time bi asa na mo yi aba me mi echi tani me ma stadium me ti am bi say de me nyanse ntworo ni ti so bi a wa for radio so and obebusa question e de na amwa wo beka e de a kire me echi tani no e be ma Sunday ma be hwe mo game am ne be chimbebo.
Well, okay, the mechanic say this Sunday, like match in the day, a very difficult match to do, but from our training grounds, the like the coach is taking us through. No, I think this Sunday is going to be a different atmosphere everywhere, and I will be glad to say maybe now you feel that moment. You know?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Say ma memfa kakra nso amwade ne so. Football ne echitafo. Zoto omumienu ntamuntimenti. Ebi game ne kwa no is mostly about supporters. Ene stadium omobeba ni dede omobeye. Enu ne timi ginger players. So on the meche no. Na oya Kotoko story na the man yam wan say enye say team a enhyew league ni ko na that top.
Okay.
League a yebu Kotoko na that top.
Yeah.
Na ka team o that sro there. So to son ko ni nyadom.
Yeah.
Ana me bo.
Yeah.
The guy say amotie hwe ne first 2 months na me doubt ne kakra. Na ko he Kotoko ni nso ateman. Eno na ba mu second half no.
Oboase.
Oboase. Obaya the first 2 touches no dey bo po. Hey. Abranti ebo a wo boy there. Yes, you can say e be a level of quality na ba from kakra. Ba me hwe na the ball na wo bo na nya ball ketwa. Anche na Kotoko be ball mo ne has e o baba yara. Na ye hu ke ono Kevin no say sibe. So, what it is? Me ka kosi ni say. Yes, we ye chitania. You might have other concerns ne sa nyoma no. By stage na edu no. Kotoko here supporters to win the league.
Yeah.
Okay. We chitania. We ene efiada.
Yes.
You to your first and near to susu.
Ene susu no boys no.
You too free Monday ni ato ne kakra saa. Wa woni bi so ene kwa na ye twam ne ekopai wo gate. Eti we chitania. Because there safu mu ye. Akoso. And the man had you say every single year attendance they drop it. But today they say ye mere phone lines. Ubo mo mobile from so na ko say mo match. But so mo na be chiro maju team. Team no person chiro waju ma ko stadium.
Okay.
Enti amwa mon kan je supporters say Sunday mu.
You really ama nipa mo requesting Dawson from Obia Krofi to David Obey. Some be so the French busa Samba question.
Oh,
for French boots, I one life person.
No more. No.
Come on.
David say format man I didn't interpret here.
Come on, before I start a question,
that be
the chat was there. I think say we are not being fair to the players to see Kotoko.
Yeah.
Because
Mama, we have been trying to George Kennedy say or tell why the supporters support these guys. Or say look, any Kotoko in all its history, you know. And time when FA Cup and League the same season. So these guys are on the verge of making history, winning the FA Cup and the GPL. So keep it up, guys, and the supporters should help them to achieve that. From another legend of the club, George Kennedy. And until I first
those days, Nana, crowd on the banner. And I be a master of them. No, my idea though. But I'm not so ginger more. And you pay 4 goals, 5 goals. I don't think they're easy, sir.
Yeah.
But I could go
one, no, come back a bit, Marco training for.
Could go play because I'm say, or Baba Boma, and my catcher say, hey, won't go for Kotoko. Quite don't go. In the one of for 2 years, you are born. By name, when more women has opportunity. I think you are not being fair to them. It's Sunday, no. You have a stretchy lead, no. You got 1 point, 2 point lead, and a comfortable lead. Ah, yeah, brepa. And now, man, for so cheesy. Is that why Kotoko on the other class? We will be only as a Kotoko, the Ama and even more. The only way between I say, you be now 4 points gap.
Yeah.
This is in Kama.
Yeah.
Until that is done, no. They say in a short time.
Okay. So Samba, address the supporters in any language that you want. Talk to the supporters. Ebinum to French, ebinum to whatever. In 60 seconds. Ask them to come to the stadium. Okay, French is true because Jibo is still here. So any language.
Is it Jibo subject to
Samba Bonitigo. There be Samba Bonitigo. I was saying the Wakanano.
Ujina airport untimi ka French bi na beju charge je.
Azana unya kwero.
Osi tie ye dede.
Ejula eje na munya kwa ntomo di maso.
Ouais, ils savent qu'on a grandement besoin d'eux parce que c'est eux notre 12e joueur. Donc je les appelle maximum et je veux qu'ils soient là pour nous supporter comme d'habitude de la façon dont ils ont l'habitude de le faire. Donc qu'ils viennent au maximum. On a vraiment besoin d'eux, qu'ils viennent au maximum.
Tu vois ça, on
Can you say that in English?
No.
Small.
I'm saying that they all knows that we need them, so I'm calling them for Sunday. They should come.
Very good, excellent.
The problem one is say.
Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, I'm a for an affair.
The make catch me say this is the time you knew the most. So
Okay.
you should come in the numbers to come and support.
Okay. Lawyer.
Tama, you better want for the opportunity. Now, yes, Sunday.
No, you mind about one number tie.
You better a series of name be a deba. Send me order.
I'm back, coach.
Oh, coach, why not? Some young cover.
I'm young.
Coach Baba.
Now, yeah. All
right. It is time I better want to
see you now as a Sunday round resource.
yeah, I'm back. I'm going to text from the bunch and say, Elizabeth said you know.
Ratings so there, some are in 2 move for the past 5 years or so. 20, 30, 70 now.
Here, Pinaco, so 20.
Tell me, yeah, come on.
I know 2 will leave one and that's all.
Oh, Tama. I didn't say what you cry when.
Yeah, I'm back. So lawyer that's it.
Right.
Said I get a member to him the only more. That we would only more. They want to French be want to French. Kiromo ko de one pe omo ko. Na we no.
Ananka.
Oh yeah.
You do fi boy you ni boy.
You better say.
Oh ni di na me fi boy de oya o ye wuro.
You better say.
Oh, asen di no ayi abrokwesi so fi visa.
Na we so we so.
De oba me kwa me hu.
Omo we ko dey na be catch up.
In fact, they say one ni penny aji. Canadian na mo me issue ansan mo. Kotoko supporters ni hu nsan mo. Say mo kwa me ko hemu sa. Mo ni ko ni kan afi. Nti na wanu bi. Nti ka kire kwa de ne de papa ke ne yo.
Omo jai.
Say na say ja na wu jai. On say me bi afufu, wo ware na afufu nto ado so. Na nam ne soso a. Hu say nam ne fufu ne kofo mo sa obema. Na yuma ne kofo na ado so teso.
Yeah, that's why.
Na ade a ye me de me ne madam for ba ko champo ye ni age o. Ye mo sports minister say abrofo na hu say no mu sisi ye. Ye no mu ne di bia mo ba fie gold ye tin bia ne nema. Ahu, I give and take some bia mo mani aso ye. Unse say mo kan bom. Say say woni de mo aye ball no.
Mind there.
Say all play all be at me no bi bo. They say that fe no mo di abakora e wo ayi ni so.
Afi na baba.
Abakora, o mo say ayi. They say Arsenal ne you be wise bobo.
No, what? Why that's why. One moment, sorry, go. Now, baby, why is that? I'm going boy.
We are seeing bomb will be a woman.
Nene can be a Kotokoni as now. The Kotoko's no one bebo.
To I go to take Nessa was out there. You go almost say, oh, woman,
The Kotokoni one bebo.
Kotokodome, Liverpool, now chase me.
No, but here, no,
we have a funny young woman.
Liverpool, boy.
No, so about
I'm a boy, Liverpool.
Australia.
And Jonathan friendly, I say, one wife friendly on boy, the prince is your money. And that's a couple.
So much said,
and every day in your mind. None in Kotoko place too. Omo mko ya wa mu de.
Oh, David, when they have said that you say, minimum. And I feel minimum boy wins. I feel my bobo. Conto.
The one Conto. Kotoko no be offense one. Kotoko be offense one. I do want to Conto level.
Oh, if you didn't know the bar,
different. Different. Clear that's it. Felix about Felix. You are not was. I know. And I bonsu. I go bonsu birthday.